Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to tell you guys if the Change Healthcare Data Breach letter is legit or not. As you can see that on July 19, there was a breach report, and it was a ransomware attack that resulted in this many people, like 500 individuals approximately, that were affected. That hey, this they got an email basically saying that their data has been breached and taken, things like that. And what they truly say is that, this happens all the time. And in August, the data broker did lose control. But the thing is that no one truly exposed it, if this was true or not, because you do get a lot of random stuff in the mail a lot of time. There's no clear indication if this was a true attack or just a prank done by some individuals targeting the ransomware attack. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.